the new, but I will say that people who have just joined the profession, the new people, what is your message for them that from which point they should start the negotiation for a contract? The starting point for a negotiation.
All right. When you say negotiation,
For the beginners, sir, I'm not saying about the experienced people. My question is for the beginners who have just
I
joined
agree.
this profession and who are
I
entering into a
understand because they
contract.
will not be able to go deeper in the context of that.
Mhm,
So what we do here,
mhm.
we don't continue with the capital equipment purchasing.
Okay.
Should I stop it here, or should we? I finish up within next 2 minutes,
Okay, sir. Okay,
and then I take negotiation.
okay, sir. Yes. Over to you, sir.
Now, in this case, it is to be always seen that your credit terms,
Yes.
these guarantees
Okay.
about maintenance, passing of spares,
Okay.
your government financing is there or not to for that purpose.
Okay. Government finance. Yes. Very important.
Then the question is a state buy
Mhm.
or a hire purchase is there or a leasing is there?
Yes.
All the terms and conditions are going to be different.
Okay.
Because in this case, the supplier selection is very, very important to also, maybe with the technical people around the world,
Yes.
which is the best technology available to you, whether
Okay.
the technology can
Best
be
technology
purchased by
available.
you or not.
Okay. Okay.
Because it is a difficult aspect because certain countries may not like to give the
Yes.
latest technology to you.
Yes.
Here
Yes.
you find
That's the
problems
point.
going
Yes.
on in United States with China.
Yes.
US has done the problems in a very different way, and they are in problem now. They
Okay.
want to take that very right of research, etc., from China, which is not getting possible too.
Yes. Yes.
Then these equipments need to be investment aspect. You have to see
Okay.
what are the rate of return,
Investment rate of
net present worth method you talk to apply.
yes.
Now, in this case, when you go with the aspect of that is concerned,
Yes.
you may like to have, again, the definition is to be there, the first one in agreement.
Okay.
Again, we like to go with the aspect of order acceptance.
Order.
If I have given
Okay.
order acceptance is very important by the buyer,
Okay.
by the seller.
Okay.
Then I may like to have the aspect of prices, which I settle with him
Yes.
on various issues,
Yes.
on supplies, on everything we talk about.
Yes.
We may include the aspect of payment terms and condition also.
Mm-hmm.
We may go with the aspect of delivery, what time the delivery will be made, whether
Yes.
the delivery will be made in parts and other ways too also.
Yes.
What are the quantities which will be given? What will be the packaging and shipping terms are concerned? Because let's suppose I take by ship, my terms and conditions of packaging will be different. If
Yes.
they come by air, the packaging is going to be light
Different.
and comfortable too also.
Yes.
Because nothing is to happen to that in regards to production is concerned,
Yes.
making of that is concerned. Then once the machine has come, installation, who will
Yes.
be responsible?
Mhm.
I may give the facilities to you, but your man is to come, or my man is to be there, or training is to be done,
Mhm.
how the installation is to be done,
Yes.
etc.
Yes.
Then equipment, you say inspection, etc. is to be done when the things come. What is to be inspected? Who is to be responsible for that?
Mhm.
Now, in all these cases, when I go with the aspect of further, I see that acceptance of mine.
Mhm.
Now the things have come to me, I accept it. And when I accept it, the payment aspect needs to be taken into consideration as per the terms is concerned. Or after installation, I have to give. What will be the aspect of indemnity in this context so that is concerned?
Okay.
What
Yep.
will be the assignment aspect in regards to knowledge information is concerned, or
Okay.
passing of processes, etc. Even in the beginning, when you have entered in the contract, he is to supply you the all specification, methods, everything to you. The booklet, nothing is to be hidden.
Mhm.
That's for the maintenance. For how long he will be providing the spare parts to me?
Yes.
Whether the parts which are being manufactured by the subcontractor there will be able to be, I will be able to get it or not to also. Now these are the various aspects which are to be taken in the context of that. And when I talk about modification aspect, can I do or not?
Hmm.
Because modification is very important with the
Yes.
time,
Yeah.
because the product needs to change, and for that necessary modification is to be there.
Yes.
Generally, in the case of developed country, modification is done, but they are not in terms and conditions for developing country.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't make the changes,
Yes.
and they will not do for me.
Yes.
Similarly, the aspect of remedies, the government laws applicable, the force majeure clause, now whatsoever compliance with the laws are concerned, etc. I have to see about the serviceability aspect also of those very goods which have come to me in regards to capital equipment is concerned. So these are various issues which are of capital equipment, which are very, very pertinent.
Yes. Yes.
And you have to take a note of these in this context of that.
Oh.
Now, basically, when I see this aspect, I come to the aspect of what I talk about is the aspect of purchase when I refer to the aspect of terms and conditions are concerned in regards to Incoterms are there.
Okay.
Now, Incoterm, as I mentioned to you, is International Chamber of Commerce terms.
Yes.
It is invoked in 1919.
Yes.
Now, the International Chamber of Commerce is in Paris.
In Paris.
And what they have done, they revise every 10, 15, 20 years, depending upon the change which is taking place in regards to terms are concerned. Because 90% world trade is on the basis of Incoterm.
Yes.
And you do right in the context of that is concerned.
Okay.
There are about 8, 10 terms are there which are very, very pertinent. And the first term is X works.
X works. Yes.
I give at the gate of mine and my responsibility is over.
Yes.
As a seller,
Yes.
the buyer is to take further.
Yes.
When I go for the FCA, free carrier, this means I load to the carrier of the buyer, seller, the buyer, and my responsibility is over.
Over.
When I go with the CPT, I say carriage paid to.
Yes.
Up to a destination I pay, to which place I pay in that context of that. Maybe the port where I'm loading it, that way it will be so. Further, the freight will be his headache.
Yes.
Now, it could be carriage and insurance paid.
Yes.
Insurance is a part of so that everything goes well too. It
CIS.
could be delivered at a place also. It could be
FOB.
I deliver
Yes.
it.
Yes.
destination.
Yes.
It could be delivered at place unloaded.
Yes.
Unloading has to be done by you.
Yes.
Are delivered, duty paid, whatever the duties were there, they
DDP.
have been paid, and the matter is over too also.
Yes.
Now, when I come to the shipping term, which are loading by shipping is there, my ships are there, we have to go with the aspect of FAS, free alongside. I bring alongside the vessel, and then loading is to be done at your charges and risk.
It could transfer of ownership is also done at that time.
Yeah?
Transfer of ownership of the shipment is also done at that time.
Well, immediately, because that is the term which is important too, and Incoterms are agreed, because where your responsibility finishes as a supplier and where the buyer responsibility starts. Now, let's suppose if I say free alongside, I bring alongside and give to you. Now, your duty is there.
Yes.
You have booked the vessel.
Okay.
Now, while loading, the bundle, the packet falls in the sea, damage is done. So it is not my responsibility. But if I've taken on terms of FOB, free on board, then I am responsible, because that way I am responsible in regards to making it loading also to be done.
Yes.
For that point of view is concerned. Then CFR is there, cost and freight I pay. It could be CIF, cost, insurance and freight I pay. No, these are various Incoterms which are to be taken in consideration in regards to the working is concerned when you enter in an agreement.
Yeah.
So
Sir,
these
like, I want to quote here a practical example. When I was in Saudi Arabia, we had a shipment from UK. Terms of sale were X works. The container was loaded from the manufacturer's place and it was going towards seaport. On the way, there was an accident and the container fell down from the trailer and it took a 360-degree turn also. Now, that was a deadlock among us. The manufacturer was saying, our term were X works, we gave you X works.
You say manufacturer.
Now the
term is
insurance
there?
company said, insurance company said that we were responsible once it was loaded in the vessel. Now, who is responsible for the land there? That was the question then.
All right. Now here, if X works is there,
yes,
you have taken the responsibility of container.
Yes.
It is your container you have fixed.
Yes.
Maybe your agent may have fixed for you.
Yes, our agent had fixed it for us.
Once it has been loaded,
yes,
if his responsibility was that, if loading was not there, let's suppose I bring X works. I don't give free carrier even to you.
Yes.
Then you are loading it.
Yes.
Then you have loaded, the things have gone to you. No.
Yes.
My responsibility is over as a supplier. And if something happens in the way, it is the fait accompli of yours.
Yes.
The terms and conditions are very, very clear in regards to Incoterms are concerned.
Yes.
And they have written directly everything there where the buyer responsibilities is finishes starts and where seller responsibility finishes. In
Okay.
each term, that way. So we refer to Incoterms in regards to our trade is concerned. And for land, I mentioned to you, again, Incoterms are there which are being used that way it is so.
Okay, sir, I have an observation here. Just
Yeah.
an observation. But because
Yeah.
I have seen when I was in Saudi Arabia, I used to check the contracts of my company with many important manufacturers with whom we were
Yeah.
dealing all around the world. The contract always used to be 30, 35 pages document. And whatever they want to use, that was not in the beginning part of the contract. That was always somewhere in 25th number page, 26th number page. Because when a reader
Yeah,
starts
then,
reading the contract in the beginning, up to 10, 15 pages, after 10, 15 pages, he starts losing the concentration. And they used to keep something important at page number 22, page number 23. This way they were playing. This I have
he said $5.5, $1 cost.
$1 reduction, yes.
He says you are having the very fine specification for producing this product.
Mhm.
I don't need fine because I am using for novice this aspect.
Mhm.
Now I want this specification to be made to be with more of tolerances, etc.
Mhm.
As you know, with the finer tolerances, the cost goes up.
Mhm.
You have more of defective aspect which comes into being. He says, now tell me what the price is going to be there per set to be.
Mhm.
He said, if this is the specification, I will charge you $5 per set.
Mhm.
In 6.5, 5.5, no, it has come to 5.
Right.
He says, this you are telling me in the context of 1.
Mhm.
Now, if I purchase 10,000, how much it will be?
Yes. Volume
For the
discount.
bulk, immediately from 4.5, it came down to 3.5.
Mhm.
He says, my order is going to be 1 lakh. Now tell me how per year, how much you are going to give. It is to be in 10 orders of
Mhm.
10,000 each.
Mhm.
The price came down in negotiation to $3 per.
From $6 to
set.
$3, yes.
So 6.5 to $3 it has come.
Mhm.
You can understand how the negotiation has been done.
Mhm.
Or it entered in agreement. You have to supply every month 10,000 for 10 months, and the quantity will be 1 lakh. Delivery date will be this. If I make a cash payment to this, discounting can be go on like this. That is the so. So even in that very case, from 6.5, you have to come down to hardly 3, and by cashing discount, etc., it may be coming down to $2.8. So how negotiations are being carried out, you can understand it.
Yeah.
I've seen with my own eyes the negotiation going on in the world around like that.
Yes.
As I mentioned, youth track market is concerned.
Yes.
I have given an Indian case to you, which
Yes.
is a reality case.
Yes.
It is not a case which is cited as an example. It is a reality case which has happened with the Jalanis.
Yes.
Perchance, one of the brothers of Jalani was my teacher when I was doing my engineering in 60s
Mhm.
in Delhi Polytechnic, in Delhi College of Engineering. So
Okay.
the whole negotiation aspect take place in a very, very vivid and clear way. And even in international negotiation, you will surprise to know
Mhm.
when Honda people wanted to manufacture a car, Honda motorcycle people,
Mhm.
Bridge Mohan aspect, Honda people,
Mhm.
they went to Germany to have a collaboration aspect. Now, there one man had gone, Bridge Mohan or his son Pankaj, but those in Germany, 8 people sit.
Mhm.
Each man is of his own area, finance, operations, logistics,
Mhm.
risk, and the chairman is there.
Mhm.
So when the man is talking about, the questions are being asked from different areas. If
Different.
he is not ready as a single person,
Mhm.
he will not be able to negotiate at all because he doesn't know about technicality and other things. He may be completely prepared that he knows everything.
Mhm.
Then, way the light is being put,
Mhm.
way the air conditioning temperature,
Mhm.
way the breakup is there in regards to concern. Sometimes you may just pose you are not interested,
Mhm.
and you say very well go. Let's finish.
Mhm.
But other party who has come by seller, he has come with the intention to have a business with you.
Okay.
It may give a kick to him. So all the aspects are taken into consideration in the room setting. It is in my country or your country.
Mhm.
Generally, buyers will like to have in his own country.
Yes.
let salary come.
Yes.
So these are the various issues of negotiation which needs to be tackled to, and it is not that very easy unless and until you are having everything on your tips.
Yes. Yes.
As I gave case of Jalanis to you, he was having everything on his tips to deal with the situation in that context. So that is concerned.
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
You
you.
gave us a lot of enlightenment today. And I will request my viewers that if you have any questions, you can send me. And Professor Sachdev will be very kindly giving the answers to all the questions. So thank you very much, sir, once again for your time, for your consideration. And I hope to join you again in some session someday. Again,
Let's see.
thank you very much, sir.
God willing.
Thank you, sir.
God,
Thank you.
God bless you. God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
sir.
Have a nice time.
You too, sir.
And thank your friend also on my behalf for
Yes.
having made the necessary arrangements
Yes.
and doing it so.
Okay.
Thank you. We'll be meeting.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay, okay, sir. Bye.